Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of My Bucket List A. So today we're going to show you a couple RVs that Joe and I took a look at, and thought you guys would like to see a couple of these units. In addition to that, we've got an RV park that we stumbled across in Key Largo, Florida. That is our favorite spot so far, our favorite RV park so far, and you'll see why right after this.
Okay, what are we doing here, Joe?
We are looking for a new Super C, which is not looking good. However,
Or Class A.
A Class A. I'm looking at the Tiffin. We're looking at the new Mars. We really want an American Eagle.
And why are we doing this, Joe?
It's not what I want. It's what I need. Wait a minute. If you haven't noticed, I have slight ADHD, and I don't like to, I can't. Not that I don't like to, I don't sit well, if you haven't noticed. So, I have to move, so I always have to do projects, and me sitting for a whole day in a truck is difficult. And to me, a waste of time because I could stay busy. Okay.
So, because of all of what you just said, she wants to have a Super C or a Class A.
Like that one.
She wants to go big or go home.
Well, you know what they say. Do it right.
So, spin this around, everyone, just so you know. So, Mojo might be up for sale. Might. So, it all depends on if we find anything that's not ridiculously priced, which I have a feeling everything will be. But we are just starting our look.
And go ahead, Joe. Let's go look at it.
This is $259.
$259, $260.
And it's a 30.
38, it says. Okay, overall, Joe? Impression?
Not bad. Of course, this is all good. This has to be taken out. This has to, we need cupboards and closets and cabinets.
Yeah. Too much work to do in this one. All right, here we are on another one. So Joe wants this one too. So now we're 1.6 million in all three of them that she wanted.
Look, this one instead. Look, these are different. Right here.
I do like these seats better.
Me too. Look.
See, it's one thing I don't like about these step-ups into the bathroom. But I understand they have to do that for the engine. Some models or some brands don't do that. Oh, this has the updated Splendid washer and dryer.
Designed for the guys going downsize, but they still want the luxury of like 45 foot.
Oh yeah, this is what you're gonna want, honey.
This has the electronics of
The seats.
600 horse. Turn the lights on differently here.
There's the cockpit. Clearly, nice big displays, full electronics.
Honey,
And look at the cabinetry.
look at this.
So it's got two recliners here with a long end table. Put a nice lamp right there.
Look how big that is.
Yeah, I like double sinks.
I know you do, but
Here's the dinette. Okay, I apologize. I'm not doing a great job. I don't have the right lens on the camera
and that's
to
a
do
TV,
all of this.
obviously.
Yeah, that's the pop-up TV. There's a sound bar up there.
The trash. Dishwasher. There's a pantry. Don't tell me there is no big pantry here.
There's no big pantry here.
Yes,
You
there
told me
is.
not to tell you.
Here. Good.
Here's the bath. It's a smaller unit, but we're looking at it for really just the colors. And Joe's talking about
Shut up!
the shower built for two.
This is pretty. Jack, we can... Laundry.
Washer and dryer, again with the upgraded. Oh, I like what they did here. It's wasted space, but I like what they did. Honey, I can't look yet.
I'm sorry. I like this one.
Of course you do. We've wanted everyone we've been in.
I'll take a smaller one. A little bit smaller.
No, I don't like this one. The cabinet color's okay.
You don't like anything else on it?
No.
Really?
I like the colors,
I love the colors, and I love the bedroom.
but that's about it.
Really?
Yeah.
Why? I love this. I keep one of them.
All right, everybody. That was a whole bunch of great RVs that we took a look at. Gotta say that we're not in a rush to do anything, but Mojo here and Natasha could be for sale. I guess I'm at the point right now is if I do sell them, it has to be a make me sell it price right now, because I'm not in a hurry. While Joanne is in a bit of a hurry, she'd like to change something right away. But we have to be practical about it. So we're going to continue looking, and we'll give you, as we look at various units, we'll go ahead and show that to you, and maybe you have some advice on which one we should pick. I've got a few things that I want in a rig. If we go to a Class A, I think I want to go with a 600 horse, just going over the mountains, and we're going to have probably a stacker trailer if we do this, so we can carry everything with us. And I just want the bigger motor to get us up over those mountains. I think the fuel economy is going to be the same regardless. Once you balance out the weight and the speeds that you go, I should still get about the same. If I'm wrong on that, somebody please correct me here in the comments below. But that's it on the RVs. So hope you enjoyed that. We'll, as I mentioned, be looking at a few others, and we'll show that to you as we do so. Now check out this RV park that we discovered.
So have you ever been to one of those RV parks that were just so bad you're like, okay, I can't stay here? And on the reverse side, have you ever been to one of those RV parks that is so nice that you'd never want to leave? Well, that's what we have here today. Take a look. So even the utilities here are perfect. Look at this pedestal. It is clean, not full of cobwebs. They clean that out all the time. The power is clean and accurate. And just the water hookup is fantastic. This place, why can't everybody be this good? And yes, there's only 30 spots in here, but it's kind of my favorite little place in the Keys so far. The staff here are just so friendly, so nice, and very accommodating. I will tell you that each morning they go out and they manicure and groom everything that you just saw. All the areas are cleaned up with the little leaves that may have blown around. All the sand has been raked, so it looks fresh every day. They come out and clean your picnic tables and your patio area, and each time a party leaves and before a next one comes into a site, they completely go through the entire site and clean everything. If there's a little weed coming up, they take care of that. They trim the bushes, make sure everything is pristine and perfect before you pull in. It is an impressive little park. Now, it's only got 30 spots, and as I understand it, people book these a year in advance. So if you're interested in staying at a place like this, highly recommend it. It is a little pricey, I will admit that, but it is very, very nice if you want to first class stop, this is one of them. Don't forget to click the link below to go to our Facebook group page, My Bucket List Buddies, and leave your comments there. By the way, that group page, talk about anything you want. I don't care if you talk about politics or religion or things like that. I wanted a place where everybody could speak freely on all that kind of stuff and not worry about it. Well, that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that little like button, subscribe, and ring that little bell. Notify you that I'm putting out a video. And I really appreciate all of your comments. Having fun with a few of you on that. So make it a great day. Bye.